Good morning, children. Let us begin our day with one more quote from the great poet Rabindranath Tagore. It is very simple to be happy, but it is very difficult to be simple. Golden words. Always remember these words. So please turn your page to page number 49. We'll start with the wonderful poem, The Champa Flower. Few pictures I want to show you. Various varieties of flowers. Champa, we call it Safa in Marathi. This is the most common flower you must have seen along the roadside. White with the tinge of yellow. They look so good with the combination of green leaves. Though the trees grow very tall, but don't try ever to climb on these trees because you may fall down. These are not very strong branches. Beauty of nature. White flowers growing high up on these branches. I hope all are ready with the page. It's page number 49. It seems to be like a lesson, but it's a poem. Supposing I become a champa flower just for fun and grow on a branch high up that tree and shook in the wind with laughter and danced upon the newly budded leaves, would you know me, mother? Like I have told you yesterday, this poem is based on the concept of make-believe. The child is imagining to morph itself, that is to change itself into a champa flower. So now it is a conversation between the child and the mother. So the child is asking the mother that suppose I become a champa flower. Why he wants to be that? He wants to be the champa flower on a high branch, and he just wants to observe the routine of the mother. The mother is performing her daily routine, her daily chores, and the child wants to observe his mother. And we just understand the bond of affection between the child and the mother. So the child is asking his mother, suppose I become a champa flower and I have shown you these flowers grow high on the branches. Child wants to know that whether his mother would come to know that her beloved child has converted into a flower and is sitting high up on the branch, shook in the wind with laughter. You must have observed the trees along with wind. This flowers and the leaves, they also move along with wind. So the child wants to move along with the wind. He wants to smile. He wants to laugh. And he wants to dance where on the newly budded leaves. This is a continuous process. The tree, they shed their leaves and they get the new leaves. So the child wants to laugh, the child wants to dance as a champa flower where on a high branch. And he is asking the mother question, would you know me? That I am not the boy, but I am the champa flower. He wants to dance upon the newly budded leaves. As I was telling you, this is a continuous process. The trees, they get their leaves, and after a few months, or rather we can say after a few weeks, these green leaves, they fell down when they convert in yellow color. And the tree or the plant, it gets always a new leaf. And these newly budded leaves, they are very soft to touch. So the question of the child is, if I become a champa flower and I sit up on a high branch and I grow on a high branch, I will laugh, I will move around, I will shook in the wind and I will dance upon the newly budded leaves. Would you know me, mother? The second paragraph in the next part of the video.